video. Today we're going to be working on the Starlet, as you can see, panned in the windows. So yeah, hopefully you watched the video, the last video, and I showed you a couple of that, left in a bit of a cliffhanger, link below. But yeah, so we're going to clean up the glass today. Got a new tailgate over there for the window, and the side window hopefully come today as well. So yeah, we'll clean up the glass and I'll tell you a little bit what happened. So first of all, what we're going to do is take the seats out. There's glass everywhere, so take them out, and then I'm just going to hoover everything, tie down up, and get these out and the back one out so we can get the new ones in. Right, so we've hoovered up in the front bay part, or the front bit seats. Now just getting the back. Obviously this is something I've not done before, so I'm trying to figure out like how to actually take the windows out, because obviously they're like smashed and they're shattered. I think it's the actual tint that's keeping them together. Yeah, so I need to try and work this out. I don't know if I don't want to just like let it drop and hoover it all up again, or have to try and like take it off as one thing. So there we have it all. Still got the outer, but I'm not sure really how to. Do I just leave it all? Might leave that to like the person that's going to change them over. And the back's done as well. So hopefully you've seen the wee clip of me taking out the back before my phone fell off the tripod. But yeah, so it's here. I can't believe how much the tint keeps it all together. I just folded up the glass. So yeah. And we've also hoovered up that seat, still got the other seat to go. Yeah. So the new window is here, so hopefully it doesn't sound like it's smashed in bits. Great, so the window's there, it's actually perfect, sort of tinted as well, so that's a bonus. And the other one's there, and we'll just need to tint that once it's on. So yeah, excellent. Right, so what we're going to do now is put the driver's seat back in, try and fit that tailgate inside another glass without smashing it, and then we're going to take it and try and fit the windows. Yeah, so straight into it. So you may be wondering, how are we getting the car and the glass to the places we're fixing it? And it says we're driving it. Straight up driving it. No windows, no cap. So yeah, I mean, it's really like having your window down, isn't it? But constantly. I mean, I know the back window, but think about convertibles, right? And when I was taking this video, it's 8 degrees. So yeah, it's going to be cold, but we will make it. Anywho, we move. Get this outside, as you hopefully seen in the cool clips. The tailgate boot and glasses inside. Obviously checked the oil, got to do that one to start, it's been sitting about for a while, you know what it's like. Anywho, so we'll go and drive this. Let's do this. So as I said, now we're about to drive it out. Hopefully it goes to plan. I mean, how bad can it be? Just cold, isn't it? So. So as we let her warm up, hopefully that exhaust rattle isn't too loud because it is terrible. Yeah, as I said in the last video, did hit a speed bump and bent it and then snapped it and then bonded it together, so that's why it does rattle. So yeah, so if anyone's out there done this type of thing before, as in can you put their own window in her, so let me know in the comments below what you used. I'll show you what I'm using. So this is what I'm using. Tiger seal. If I can seal, I'm not sure what the actual proper stuff is to do, but I'm just going to wing it and try it myself. And hopefully I'll get a couple of shots of me trying it. Yeah, so hope you're enjoying the video so far. So I've not even left the unit yet and it's already freezing, so we'll see how this journey goes and hopefully we'll be able to get a few short clips on the way. Well, I'll tell you something, it's cold, it's a lot louder, but yeah, we're getting there. I kid you not, every red light, I could have been stopped at, I've been stopped at. Right folks, so that's the side window done, and it's actually the next day. We've left that for 24 hours, hoping that will bond. Now we're just on to the back. So I'm just going to change it to that tailgate there. So yes, I'm just going to cut holes so it can fit, and drill 2 holes so the spoiler can fit. So, and I'm cutting the stand underneath the car. So yeah, we'll get straight onto that. So that's the tailgate on, I just need to swap over the struts. So, yeah. Okay, so struts are on also. How cool is this golf? It's a wide body Defender, old BM. So anyway, so now I need to just draw the holes for the spoiler and the holes for the number plate. So hold rolled, slight problem, hasn't even got a hole there. So we'll draw a hole through this wee circle bit here, and then yeah. And we're back at the main unit. So that's the tailgate on, we just need to put the spoiler on and the number plate bits on as well. So yeah, obviously we need to wrap it. So yeah, as I was saying, obviously we need to wrap it and then tint it as well, so we'll get that done tomorrow hopefully. Yeah, so that's it. I'm probably just going to wrap this video up. It's kind of been a couple of days I've been videoing this, so I'm not sure what content I have and what I don't have. So hopefully it's good enough, and yeah, so please like, comment and subscribe, and let me know if you want to see me wrapping it in the next video. Bye.